What's up, guys? Good morning. My name is Nomadic Trader. Thank you for clicking onto my video. Don't forget to leave a like, a subscribe, and leave a comment as well. Today we're trading Nasdaq Futures. Right now we're looking at the 528 tick chart. Market has opened already, but we are just going to do a quick pre-market analysis here. If we look on the 5-minute Nasdaq chart, looks like we're getting bought up quite nicely here. A little bit of consolidation, tiny bit of consolidation on the overnight session here. So again, consolidation leads to expansion. So this kind of makes sense that we're getting bought up a little bit with buyers kind of stepping in here. If we look on the S&P chart, this would be the ES chart. We are moving our way back up to all-time highs, again with buyers coming in here. So some buyers coming in this first 2 minutes. So we'll just wait and see what happens here. Ideally, I would be interested in jumping in maybe around the 780 mark. If we don't get that, we might just keep pushing up higher. But yeah, I'm definitely interested in around the 780 mark. If we break that, then I would be more interested in probably just the 700 mark. But I don't think we're going to get 700. Most likely like 780, 785. That's definitely an area of interest here. We do have to break this range here at 829, 826, around here, 829, 830. So if you break this lower support level here in this range, we may see a continued move down, but it looks like we're not going to get that. So it's going to keep moving up here. Nice buyers, good amount of buyers, and just a moonshot right out of the open here. Again, if you guys want to see anything in particular in terms of my strategy, what I'm looking for, what really is what are my entry points, what are my exit points, please drop a comment and just let me know. Just let me know. I'm here to help. I made this channel to help other traders and other individuals that are looking to learn how to trade. Just a live look at the market. I know when I was first learning, I didn't find anyone that was trading the market live and kind of showing their thought process through the entire market. So you usually have to pay for that for this ability to see live trading as it happens in front of the whatever trader you were watching. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty much just trying to help out as many people as I can. So please remember to drop that like, leave a subscribe as well. Drop a subscribe and leave a comment just so we can push this out to as many people as possible, so people learn that this is possible. This is very doable. To learn how to trade the markets is very doable. It's not something that's impossible. It just takes time, money, and dedication, and anything's possible. So again, we're just going to keep watching here. It looks like Delta's kind of decreasing a little bit here. We're pinned between the second +2 standard deviation and the +1 standard deviation. So if I look away, I do have another screen here that I'm looking at. ES has taken a little sell-off here. A new 5-minute candle opened up about 40 seconds ago. So we're just going to keep waiting to see what she brings us and what she presents to us. So yeah, ES is definitely taking a little nosedive here. With sellers actually stepping in. We may actually sweep the lows here and then just get bought up. Nas is continuing its move upwards. So again, we're consolidating a little bit here. And like I mentioned before, consolidation leads to expansion with buyers actually stepping in right now. But if you guys notice how buyers broke this previous structure here on Delta, price didn't really make that big of a high. It actually didn't even break that high. So the previous overnight high here. So that's a little interesting. In my mind, it's a little bit weak. But that doesn't mean the price is going to go down. We may just keep doing a slow grind as we're doing right now. Again, buyers stepping in really nicely. Buyers looking really good. But in terms of my trading strategy and how I trade, I tend to not get in these upper boundaries here, kind of the +2 standard deviation. Definitely not the +3 standard deviation, which is this red line here. This blue line is second, +2 standard deviation. This dotted orange line is +1.5. This purple line is just +1 standard, and the yellow line is VWAP. ES has taken quite a big nosedive here. With sellers again stepping in. Let's see if we get maybe bought up in a little bit. Nas is starting to move back down. Just waiting until my charts load here. Yeah, so Nas is kind of moving down here. Like I said, it didn't look super strong, but buyers are just really maintaining here. Ideally, I would like to see something maybe have volume here at 65, possibly right off of the +1 standard deviation. But I don't know if I want to hop into that because it's still quite overextended for me. If we break this volume here at 65 and 63, definitely would look to get in around here at 855. Again, not sure if we're going to get that, but ES is continuing to move down. We're not really correlated between the ES and NAS today, so that's a little interesting. It's getting bought up a little bit here. About 54 seconds till this candle closes. Yeah, we're really just consolidating here at the highs. It's not too comfortable for me to get into a trade like that. Yeah, and this range is just less than a 10-point range, so that's really that's nothing for me. Yes, trying to get bought up a little bit here. Delta maintaining. I actually thought about hopping into this ES trade right here, but it's too late now. Now I completely missed it. But yeah, definitely buyers stepping in here very nicely. So I actually thought about taking that ES trade, but that's all right. Yeah, guys. So we're kind of just consolidating. Actually, today is quite slow, so we're just really stuck in this range here between 80 and pretty much 70. So yeah, 10, 15 point range. That's not. I don't really want to play that range. Hopefully we get a nice pullback, a nice sell off here, and then I'll be looking to get in. We do have some sellers stepping in, breaking previous structure here. I don't want to put a limit order at 65 or anything because it feels like it's just catching a falling knife, but I may actually hop in right here. just to get a quick, see if we can, because we are maintaining, Delta maintained here, so we can just get a quick little move up at the top of the range, to the top of the range there. So we'll see if we can get that. Again, I got in because Delta maintained very nicely. I don't want to be a dick for a tick. We're looking a little weak here. Unless buyers really step in. There's not really stepping in here. So we can get filled out here. Buyers really trying to slowly stepping in here. Don't want to be a dick for a tick as well. So we get filled out.
Order filled.
We just got filled out there for a total of $246. Buyers really came in. I actually thought about canceling that order and just letting it run, but yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So we left about, so far, about 10 points on the table. That was, I like that entry. It was a good entry. It was a quick trade. About a minute and 8 seconds long. So, again, left about 10 points on the table. Not really upset about that. 246 in a minute, I'll take that any day. So there's no real issue with that. So let's see what else she can give us. ES got bought up quite nicely. ES got bought up very nicely here with buyers stepping in. So that was going to be a good trade. And NAS is actually just skyrocketing right now. Coulda, shoulda, woulda held that for a bit longer, but it is what it is. So now we just wait for another pullback. We actually pushing overnight highs here. These are not all-time highs. They're just overnight highs here. So we're definitely just pushing these a little higher. Again, left just about 14 points on the table. It is what it is. I have no problem with that. I'm a little more upset at this ES trade because I could have. I really thought about getting in here at the bottom because we swept the lows and buyers were starting to come in. So I definitely could have gotten into that one, but it's all right. Again, it is what it is. I've no problem with that. So let's just keep waiting. I mean, today seems to be kind of a slow grind day. I'm not sure if we're going to get too many moves. 173 block at 88. That actually got run through. So it's interesting. Sellers coming in. Sorry guys, I got something in my got something bugging me. So yeah, sellers are trying to step in here. We may bounce off of volume here at 80. Kind of previous support. Sorry, previous resistance that now may turn into support, but we're gonna see if that actually happens. New 5-minute just can't. New 5-minute candle just opened. Again, buyers coming in, but I really don't want to. Again, do not want to get in here. This is just not a move for me. We have some volume being printed here at 88. And it's just not a move for me. It really, playing anything up here is quite stressful for me. So, yeah, I don't want to do that. Not worth it. Not worth it for me. So again, seeing kind of turning into a little topping candle here. We'll see if that actually plays out. Still got 4 minutes until this candle closes, so may see a nice move back down. So yeah, Delta's sellers actually breaking the structure here on Delta, which is very interesting. So we could see a solid move down, which is good for us. That means I will soon get in again. But yeah, let's just keep waiting here. Maybe bouncing off of the standard out of positive 1 standard deviation, but Delta broke this structure, so that's not really comforting. Let's see if we can get maybe a bit lower down here to 65 again, or maybe just bounce off of that.
Order filled.
A little FOMO trade here. See if we can get quickly filled out at this one. Some buyers trying to come in right now. This is actually just about 7 points. This is our 7-point target, so see if we can get that fill. We'll see. If we do see sellers coming in too, I may jump out of this, but well, sellers are coming in. I could not jump out of it. So we're going to induce some pain here. I don't know. I'm looking here. I actually thought we were going to bounce because buyers really stepped in there, but it's all right. See if we can get a bounce maybe here at 65. Sellers about to break this structure here on Delta. They are breaking it right now, so we actually may see a really big move down. About 1:30 until this candle closes. ES is taking a huge nosedive here. Kind of retracing this entire green candle. But buyers are still maintaining, surprisingly. Buyers are still maintaining here, so that's not bad, actually. It's not bad. We're about 10 points away from our entry here. I don't want to get into a second one just yet. So we can set up some more structure here on Delta. "42 seconds till the scale. Excuse me. 42 seconds till the scandal closes. Again, ES is taking having a nice sell-off here, completely engulfing this entire move. But sellers still not coming in, but price is completely engulfing it. $65 block at 80.68. New candle just opened up. New 5-minute candle open.
Order filled.
Here. See if we can get a continue move up. I don't know my first entry. My first entry is 81. Interesting. Okay. So some buyers trying to come in right now. Second entry was at 70. It's a little high. Bit of a high entry, but we'll see. I don't like how it's stair-stepping down. That's actually not the best for us. Let's see. Delta maintained. Hopefully Delta can continue to maintain here. I don't know if we'll get that. Delta's starting to break structure right now. Yes is taking a complete dive here. With no real buyers, or sorry, no real sellers here. We may sweep these lows. Oh no, now sellers are starting to come in. May sweep these lows and then get bought right back up. But this is a big red engulfing candle, so that's not too interesting for yes. Kind of pinned at VWAP here. VWAP and volume at 60. I didn't really want to get into a third one. I'll kind of just wait. Wait on my third one. The first two were a little. The first one was definitely not good entry. Not a good entry at all. So we'll see if buyers can come in and really pretty much just break this structure here. But they're having some trouble right now. Yes, it's kind of getting bought up here. Kind of. Buyers are trying to come in. I don't know if I really want to get into that. Let's see if maybe we can sweep these lows again, and then I'll hop in. Let's look on the NAS 1 minute here. So we're actually right at the bottom of this delta structure here. About 1 minute until this candle closes. Sellers coming in now.
Order
I'm actually
filled.
going to buy one on ES right there. $27 seconds till this candle closes. It's kind of a high entry, but let's see if we can get back up to volume here. Delta's maintaining here. New 5-minute candle just opened. Sellers trying to step in here. I may not stay in this ES trade for too long. Sorry guys, I'm going a little silent, but this is just it's part of trading. No, it's a lot of thinking, a lot of evaluating what's going on. So buyers have been maintaining this whole time, which is good for us. Good to see. See if we can actually get this to the high. I'm not sure if we're gonna get there, but we'll see if we can. Yes, it's trying to push a little higher here. Buyers trying to come into NAS. Buyers slowly stepping in on NAS. So let's see if we can get a continued move up. Again, buyers trying to step in. Buyers maintain throughout this whole kind of consolidation there. See if we can get a continued move up. $43 block at 77. Two minutes until the candle closes. I may actually hop out of this ES trade pretty soon here because I don't really want to. Well, buyers trying to kind of sort of. Let's look actually at this ES trade here or NAS trade here. Let's see what's going on NAS here. Sorry, my computer's lagging a little bit. I got a lot to handle for my computer here, so I've got some buyers trying to step in now. So we're just at our first entry here with buyers coming in. I'm actually going to deleverage as soon as I can. I kind of missed that deleverage opportunity. May endure some more pain here, but we'll see. $40 seconds till the candle closes. Sellers trying to step in here.
Order filled.
So I actually got out of my ES trade. Puts us at 251 on the day. I don't want to hold that for too long. Now as we're trying to move up, getting some buyers coming in right now. I'm actually gonna
order filled.
And both orders have been filled, and we are out completely for 862 on the day. Right at 10 o'clock actually. So those are actually all good trades. I actually could have held my ES trade. Could have held my ES trade and been in profit. A nice profit, but that stress was starting to get to me, so I don't want to hold down for too long. Again, guys, that's pretty much it. Honestly, that's kind of my day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to drop a like, drop a subscribe as well. Please let me know if there's anything you want to see in particular, whether it be anything about my strategy, about what I'm looking for. Yeah, just let me know and leave it in the comment section below. And we'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you so much, guys. Remember, my name is Nomadic Trader, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.